All right, so we're here with JC captain Jamali Bennett, here to talk to him about today's game. First of all, what are your first impressions on today's game? How did the team perform?
It was an excellent game, but we could have done better. So we just have to go to the training ground and come again, because it's football, right?
All right, so you guys were leading 2-1 going into the break. What was that switch that happened in the second half to cause Calabar to get such a foothold in the game?
We should have a better maintenance of the game. I think that, so we just have to work on that. So yeah, we didn't manage the game well. So they got a lot of chances when they shouldn't have. A lot of lost passes. So we just have to work on that. Yeah.
All right, and what else on the pitch, football-wise, tactics-wise, can your team work on to improve for the rest of the round of 16? Because it's a different format, so you guys need as many wins as you can get.
So as I say, we just have to go back to the training ground, and anything the coach sees that fit, we have to just work on that. Can't really say much on his tactics. That's his game.
All right, JC captain Jamali Bennett.